Hey guys, Tyler here with Kingston Yacht Sales by United City Yachts, Canada's yacht sales network, and today we're going to do a quick little video walkthrough on this beautiful 2011 Four Winds V475, the flagship model, the biggest one Four Winds has ever given us. We're going to take a quick little video walkthrough. The full details and listing will be in the link in the description below should you want to book a private showing to see this absolute beauty, but come on aboard with me. This boat has been absolutely meticulously maintained, two-owner boat. Current owner purchased it with about 100 hours on it, has kept it here at his private dock ever since. Fresh buff and wax this year. Beautiful. The one thing I love about these 475 is this giant hydraulic swim platform at the back there. You have the built-in davits for your Sea-Doo as well. But awesome entertaining space back here. You've got lots of storage in the two lockers that are side by side here as well. Beautiful, nice steps up both sides as well too, with walk around to the bow. But you also have a walk-through windshield. So very, very, very rare option in a boat of this size to have a walk-through windshield. But we'll walk through that in a second. Again, just taking a look around, you can see this thing is a beauty. So powered by dual Volvo IPS 600s. It's got about 525 hours on it currently right now. The one thing I love though is the entertaining space back here. Beautiful L-shaped seating. You've got, of course, little refrigerator, ice maker back here, wet bar area. And then up top, just a small little step up, but then up top, you've got another beautiful C-shaped seating area. So great for entertaining. The space here is beautiful. To have the hard top as well too. So lit hard top, it's got blue, red. We've currently got the white lights on. It's also got little sky ports as well too, or skylights that you can open up there for ventilation. Of course, climate controlled in here. Canvas is all brand new. Looks spectacular. New seagrass carpet as well too, which is kind of nice. That's all throughout the boat. We'll see that here. Of course, pop-out TV. Who needs 4 TVs on a boat? You never know. This one's got them. Dual Raymarine E120Ws. So we had the GPS chart plotter fired up earlier there. We had GPS, redundant GPS, and also the radar going. Of course, Volvo digital throttle. You've got the joystick as well too. So you got your single lever, you got your docking. You're gonna look like a pro pulling in with this all day long. Dual Helm seats with bolsters as well too. You've got, of course, engine management system here, Sony stereo. This one's got Sirius XM as well. And of course, your autopilot. You do have, so underneath this little hatch right here, there's a little ladder, and I'll just show you. I'm not gonna pull the ladder down, but I'm just gonna show you in there. So you pull that ladder out, and that's how you access the bow, which is kind of cool. Nice big door, locks nice and tight, but you can access the bow. Feels nice and easy to get up, not intimidating at all to walk to the bow. Heading down below here. Beautiful C-shaped dinette seating. You've got, of course, your electrical panel just up top there. Nice blue accent lights throughout, courtesy lights there. Skylights keeps it nice and bright down here. And of course, beautiful galley to port. Stand-up fridge freezer combo, and then you've got your Panasonic microwave convection oven up there. Electric stovetop, dual sink, and of course another television with your climate controls. We'll make our way just to the forward V-berth, which in this boat would pass as this would be your master cabin. But great storage on either side. You do have down below here as well too. You've got a couple drawers, hanging lockers either side. We do have right now, we've got some storage items in here, but you do have your shower in there and then your head here. All electric flush. Making our way back, we'll take a quick peek at the mid cabin here. So private, again, private washroom here as well too, which is kind of nice. Right now we've got it split up in the configuration of the 2 bunks, but you can add the filler cushions there. And of course, lots of storage. We'll take a quick peek in the head. Again, very clean boat though. So again, this boat's brought to you by Kingston Yacht Sales, by United City Yachts. We are Canada's yacht sales network. Buying, selling, trading, importing, exporting. We do deals down into the US as well too. We'd be happy to work with you to get you on board your next vessel. This one's currently offered for sale at 569,000 Canadian dollars, which is a great price for the amount of boat that you get. If you want to book a private showing, please reach out. My contact details will be in the link in the description below. Hopefully, we'll see you on the water soon.